Hi, welcome to this video looking at GCSE higher tier maths for all exam boards including AQA, Edexcel, OCR and all other appropriate exam boards for UK students and even international students as well. Okay, we're going to start with question number 1. Feel free to obviously pause the video guys, have a go at the questions and then press play. This is question number 1 guys. Write down the exact value of tan 60. Now tan 60 gives me the value root 3. So you need to know your sine, cos and tan from 0 going up in 30 degrees from 0 to 90 for sine, cosine and tangent. So please feel free to check out my video actually on exact trig values, okay, which is the topic name for this one. Okay, so exact trig values, and it might be worth watching a video on the derivation of this here to help you remember, but you need to remember your sine, cos and tan from 0 to 90 going incrementally up in 30s, yeah, and even I believe, yeah, so 30, 45, 60 and 90, I believe. Okay, this is question number 2. F of x equals x plus 7. Find the inverse function of x, so f minus 1 of x. So this is what I call inverse function. Okay, now there's multiple ways of explaining this. Right, we've got a function, okay, we've got x plus 7, okay. The opposite of adding 7 to a function is taking it away, okay. So one way of recognizing is seeing what sign is added onto the x, and the inverse function is essentially the inverse operation. So the inverse of x here will be x minus 7, okay? Okay, so the inverse operation, the opposite of adding 7 is taking 7 apart. Now that one was pretty basic, it can get trickier, but all you're doing is treating it like an equation, okay, and rearranging it so you're able to get x on its own, okay? This is question number 3, guys. Find the next term. 1 minus 2, 4 minus 8. This is what I call a geometric sequence. Okay, I'm multiplying by -2 each time. So I've got to be very, very careful with my signs. Okay. So minus 8 times minus 2, okay, is equal to positive 16. Okay, because a minus times a minus gives me a plus. 8 2s are 16, or 8 times 2 is 16. Okay, so this is what I call geometric sequence. So I'll put GS for short. Okay, geometric sequence. This is question number 4. Simplify this surd. Okay, so breaking down actually into its components. Okay, finding a square number factor. Now I recognize that I can write this as root 16 times root 10. Root 16 we should know is 4. 4 times root 10 is just written as 4 root 10. Okay, just to be clear guys, it's not the 4th root of 10, it's 4 lot of root 10. So it's saying root 10 plus root 10 plus root 10 plus root 10. It's not the 4th root. So if it was the 4th root, yeah, it would be a very, very, very small 4 written around here. Okay, just to be very clear. Okay, that is power of a quarter if it's the 4th root. But we've got 4 lots of root 10. So I'll write it as a big 4, okay, to imply that I'm doing 4 times root 10. Okay, so the idea is it's simplifying surds, okay, looking for the largest square number factor. Now 16, as far as I'm aware actually, is the biggest one because it doesn't go any further than that. I can't simplify root 10 because 10 doesn't have any square number factors. Okay, it has factors, but it doesn't have square number factors. This is question number 5, guys. F of x equals 4x squared and g of x equals 4x plus 4. Find g f of x. Well, I start with the function on the right-hand side, actually, so I'm working from right to left. Okay, so I'm working in this direction. So I start with the function f, and then I apply g to it, and what that means is I'm replacing x with x squared in here. Okay, applying g to it, it's 4 lots of 4x squared, actually, so it's 4 lots of 4x squared plus 4, because the function g does 4 times the x plus the 4. Now I can simplify this, because 4 lots of 4x squared actually is 16x squared, and then plus the 4. Okay, so I start with the function f and then I apply g to it. So I'm always working from right to left. This is what I call composite functions. And again, feel free to obviously check out my videos on composite functions. Okay, it does link to question 2. So composite and inverse functions, okay, are the top end of the GCSE specification. Okay, and it's also obviously appropriate for even A-level maths actually as well. Okay, so feel free to obviously research these topics and let me know if you've got any specific questions on these. Okay, but these are the typical higher tier questions that you want to be getting right in the exam, because it might not be worth a lot of marks, okay, but it's topics that I believe you guys can smash and get those additional marks on the higher tier paper. Okay, right guys, that takes us to the end of today's video. So thank you so much for watching this short, sharp video. Any questions, any queries, put it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, please like my video, and lastly, please turn on post notification by clicking that bell icon so you don't miss out on further videos and further uploads. Okay, but that's it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, enjoy this lovely weather, and I'll see you for the next one. Bye for now.